Hello everyone, welcome back to Happy Kids Create. Today we are going to make chicken spinach quesadilla. And so the ingredients are chicken. My mom baked this morning, so it's all ready to go. Spinach. Right here is the spinach. It's chopped. So I have some soft cheese. The soft cheeses that I'm using are cheddar and Kobe Jack cheese, because they melt faster and it just has that really nice gooey flavor. Now we need a wrap. I am using this right here, and then the last ingredient is oil. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna cook some spinach, but first of all, you always have to have an adult around. That's why I have my dad here. So right now we are going to turn the heat on to medium. Just gonna spread that all around the pan. Now we are going to take our spinach and we're just gonna dump it all in. So right now it's starting to wilt. As you see, it's smaller. And our guest here is Miss Pam. A couple more minutes and we're all done. Okay, so now that we have our spinach right here, my dad transferred it into this bowl. So first, I'm gonna add the cheese. I'm a big fan of cheese, so I add all of the cheese. Okay, so what we have now is we have the cheese on the wrap and spread it out so we can have the whole thing covered up with cheese. Okay, so now since we have the cheese on and look, it's starting to melt, now we are going to add the chicken. So we're gonna also spread it out so we can cook the chicken nice and evenly, not some parts raw or some parts cooked or burnt. So now we have that. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing with the spinach. And when you're doing the spinach, make sure it's cooled down so you won't burn or hurt your hands. So we're gonna wait for the cheese to melt so the chicken and the spinach will stick on. And then we are going to fold it in half, which is probably right here. So I will show you how to do it. So first you take your spatula, you take a little part of it, you just kind of glide it on, and then you fold it in half. There we go. And then we're just gonna kind of press it down. If it's too hot for you, you can just ask your parents to do it. But now, since we got it all folded up and nice in half, we are going to put it in the middle. Okay, so we have been letting it sit for, let it cook for 1 minute. So after you folded it in half like this, you turn the heat to medium. Okay, after you cooked it for a minute, you flip it over. If you can't flip it over, just ask your parents. Okay, so once you flip it over, leave it for 30 seconds and then you flip it, and you keep doing that process until it's golden brown like this. Okay, so now it's almost golden brown, as you see it right here. It's like a cheddar cheese color a little bit. Okay, so I've checked both sides, and we look pretty golden brown. So now we are going to start peeling it off and transferring it to this plate. So now we have our tortilla like this. You can cut it in quarters or however you want. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. And now we are going to be moving on to the fruit salad. Okay, so now since we got our tortilla, we're going to make the fruit salad. This fruit salad is optional, so if you want to do it, you can, and if you don't, then you can just eat it. Eat the quesadilla. So now you can just take some fruits around the house, and I just chose bananas, apples, persimmon, and mandarin orange, and I peeled them. Now I am going to cut them in bite-sized pieces. And be very careful with sharp knives. If you want, you can ask your parents to cut it for you, or a big sibling. And you're probably wondering, what is persimmon? Well, persimmon is an Asian fruit. And remember, when you're making any dish, always keep your hair tied up. If you have short hair, then it's okay. But if you have long hair, then you should probably tie it up. And when you're cooking, in the beginning, you always have to wash your hands so you won't get bacteria in your food. For the mandarin orange, you just peel it like this. So, while I was cutting this, I also cut these into little quarters. So right now, since we have everything ready, we're gonna assemble it. We're gonna put the fruit in the bowl, and then we're gonna try it. Wow, this is a lot of fruit. I think 2 people can eat it. I'm just gonna eat a little bit of it, and then I'll share it with my family. So now I'm gonna try it and see. The tortilla, very good. I love how the spinach is so juicy, and the cheese is just melted, and it's just melting in my mouth, and it just tastes really good. Now I'm gonna try the fruit salad. As we all know, fruit tastes amazing, and bananas, everything just tastes really balanced, and it's just all forming in, and it just tastes great. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.